Welcome to Numeroso, a fast-paced game suitable for 2 to 6 players ages 8 and up. To start, shuffle your Numeroso deck. For 2 to 4 players, use 1 deck. With 5 or more, you'll need 2 decks. Deal 7 cards to each player. The rest form a draw pile at the center. Kick off the game with the highest number card from any player placed face up next to the draw pile. Players take turns to play cards that share a common factor with the last card played. Primes can match with any prime. No matching card? Draw one and skip your turn. Remember, in Numeroso, the number 1 is wild and matches any card. Be the first to play all your cards to win. That's Numeroso, a game of strategy and chance offering infinite fun for everyone. Brought to you by Joyful Mathematics.